Welcome back, guys. Okay, so the last couple weeks we've got a lot done in the box truck and it's starting to shape up, but one part we haven't touched is the cab over. We gotta start by cleaning it out because it's just kind of like been our catch-all for tools and junk and trash. This is a few of the very many rolls of 16 gauge wire that we ran in our walls. We have like a ton of these. We're gonna keep them for some reason, but I don't remember why. I'm fixing these wires, they fell off. Since this isn't insulated, this gets really hot. The sun, it melted the adhesive and all of our wires fell off. So Kimi is going to be making a template for the cab over section out of plywood. And he's doing that by lining the area with plywood 1/4-inch strips, attaching them together, and then using it to trace out a shape on a full sheet of plywood. So we couldn't get this this board to actually fit because the corners are a little bit longer than the actual walls. So we had to trim it. But how's it look, Kimi?
Good.
Looks good?
So far.
Good so far. Ready to put some foam in the bottom, and you know, it doesn't need a whole lot of foam, so we're just going to use the canned stuff.
Foam.
Foam! Let's do this. Alright, so we have the foamed, it's foamed, and we're putting the thing back on. Alright, so that's about all we're going to do for today. We have this foamed, and we have our plywood on here, and it's nice and solid. We glued it down, so that's what all these heavy things are for. If you like our video, please push the thumbs up. If you dislike it, put the thumbs down. If you want to see more of our journey, please push the subscribe button and the little bell so you can get notified when we make new videos. And if you want to help support our channel, we do have a Patreon. You can make a one-time donation or set up a monthly subscription. Take care, guys.